Ever looked at your backyard at night and thought, why does this still look like a horror movie scene? Well, Govee thinks smart outdoor lighting can fix that. But are the Govee Outdoor Spotlights 2 actually worth buying? Or are they just another flashy gadget that looks cool for a week and then gets ignored? Today, we're checking them out honestly. The good, the bad, and whether these smart spotlights are actually useful in real life. So, the Govee Outdoor Spotlights 2 are basically smart RGB outdoor lights designed to brighten up your yard, garden, driveway, or even your house walls with customizable colors and effects. They connect through the Govee app, support voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, and they're clearly targeted at people who want that modern smart home vibe. And honestly, first impressions are pretty good. The design feels solid. These lights are made for outdoor use, so they're weather resistant and they don't feel cheap or flimsy. Setup is also easier than I expected. You basically place the lights where you want them, plug everything in, connect through the app, and you're pretty much ready to go. The app is honestly where most of the magic happens. You can change colors, brightness, create schedules, sync effects, and choose from a bunch of preset scenes. If you're into holiday decorations, gaming setups, or just making your outdoor space look more premium at night, there's a lot to play with here. One thing I actually liked is how bright these lights are. Sometimes smart RGB lights look colorful in ads, but end up weak in real life. These are surprisingly vibrant, especially at night. Colors pop nicely, and they can really change the mood of an outdoor area. Now, one feature Govee pushes heavily is smart control. You can use voice commands, automate schedules, and sync lighting effects. And yes, it works. Most of the time. But this is where the honest part comes in. The app can occasionally feel overwhelming. There are so many settings and modes that casual users might get confused at first. It's not impossible to use, but it's definitely one of those apps where you spend the first hour just exploring menus. Another thing, Wi-Fi stability matters a lot here. If your outdoor signal is weak, you may experience delayed responses or connection issues. That's not entirely Govee's fault, but it does affect the experience.
The installation is relatively simple, and the build quality feels durable enough for outdoor use. They also make outdoor spaces look way more modern at night, especially patios or gardens. But on the downside, the app experience can feel cluttered. Beginners may need time to fully understand all the controls. The price is also something to think about. These aren't exactly budget lights, especially if you want multiple sets for a larger yard. And again, if your Wi-Fi signal outside is weak, you may not get the smooth smart home experience you're expecting. Now, I checked Reddit and online user discussions because, honestly, that's usually where people stop pretending everything is perfect. A lot of users genuinely love these lights for backyard ambience and holiday decorations. People mentioned using them during parties, Halloween setups, Christmas displays, and even for everyday mood lighting around patios. Several users also praised the brightness and color quality, saying the lights looked better in person than expected. But there were definitely some complaints too. Some users reported occasional app bugs or connection drops, especially after firmware updates. Others said they wished the cables were longer, or that the ecosystem worked more smoothly with certain smart home platforms. And one thing I noticed repeatedly, people who expected these to function like super powerful security floodlights were a little disappointed. These are more about aesthetics and atmosphere than hardcore utility lighting. So overall, are the Govee Outdoor Spotlights 2 worth it? Honestly, for the right person, yes. If you enjoy smart home tech, want customizable outdoor lighting, and care about making your outdoor space look more stylish and modern, these are actually pretty fun and surprisingly capable. But if you only need simple outdoor lighting for visibility or security, you might be better off with cheaper traditional floodlights. At the end of the day, these lights feel more like a lifestyle upgrade rather than a necessity, and whether that's worth the money really depends on how much you value the smart features and visual effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.